Rosenberg here. I have a 4-part workshop coming up for Nashville Acoustic Camps. It's a Dobro crash course. I'm going to give you an overview of everything that I think you need to know to make a good start on understanding this great instrument right here. Okay, we're going to cover major scales. We're going to cover how to find chord notes of major chords and minor chords. Minor chords, a big mystery for the Dobro. It's not that hard to deal with minor chords in G major tuning. I think you'll find it pretty easy once you learn a few things. We're going to do rolls, hammer-ons, pull-offs. We're going to do closed position licks. We're going to do some slants. So we'll be able to do the old trad style of dobro playing plus the newer, more modern approach. Okay, you want to be able to do both in my view. And we'll cover a lot of other stuff along the way. I've got a little description you can look at. I'm going to make this as easy as possible. I'm only going to teach you things that are learnable, like within a reasonable amount of time. I'm not going to give you stuff to work on for 5 years. I'm going to give you stuff that's going to help you out next week. Okay? So my goal here is to help you be a better musician, a better player, have more confidence, get up and down the neck with less panic, make a better contribution to your local jam, or maybe you're in a band and just want to get up to the next level. We're going to help you do that. I've been teaching 25, 30 years. I've got some things figured out in terms of teaching in a simple way. And I'm just going to teach you meat and potato stuff that you can actually do. Think you're going to like it. Hope you'll sign up. And all right, hope to see you in October.